too.
Yeah, it's
Holy
beautiful.
cow, look at that. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Flashing like he likes us or flashing those cops?
Rapids, anybody? Too bad we didn't bring our inflatable kayak.
Too cold.
Probably ice cold, huh?
Oh yeah, I forgot the wetsuit too.
Oh, and the wetsuit, yeah. Well, that's always fun. Put on a wetsuit to go whitewater rafting.
I was wondering, like, how warm does the water get here?
On the best day, it'll be like Crystal River. That's as good as.
Yeah, but that's not bad. I mean, it's
Honest to God, I'll bet you right now that water's 45 degrees.